Good one. Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. In today's video, we are going to learn names of animal in Dinka language. Names of animal in Dinka language. Let's start from number one. How do you call a cow in Dinka language? Cow is called wing. 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 How do you call goat in Dinka language? Goat is called dog. Talk. Talk. How do you call sheep in Dinka language? Sheep is called amal. 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 How do you call plural form of sheep in Dinka? It is called amel. 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 Plural form. How do you call camel? Camel in Dinka. Camel is called torol. 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 How do you call horse in Dinka? Horse is called a juak. A juak. A juak. How do you call dog in Dinka? It's called jong. 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 The plural form of jong is jok. 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 How do you call rabbit? Rabbit in Dinka is called ball. 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 How do you call buffalo? Buffalo is called anyar. 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 How do you call lion? Lion is called kor. 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 How do you call hyena? Hyena in Dinka is called angui. 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 How do you call donkey in Dinka is called akaja. 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 How do you call this animal? This animal. How do you call it in Dinka? Tell me in the comment section. Thank you very much. Please follow and like the video, share the video so that we learn Dinka language together. Thank you very much. I'm Ustaz William. Bye bye. Uga ben yok.